Part 1. Ventilator Assembly Video. Part 2. Ventilator debug video.
This is the initial interface.
This indicates that the machine is working normally. This column is setting parameters. This is detection parameter. This item F means frequency. We can see here shows off. We need to press down the button. When it shows on, we can turn the button to the parameter you need to adjust. Then press down the button. Up direction is increase. Down direction is decrease. Turn the button to the value you wanted, then press down. Then you can turn the button to the next item. F-sync means frequency. This is a frequency in sync. Synchronization mode. Setting method is same like the last parameter. Press down the button and turn the button to adjust the value you want. Press down the button to confirm. If you don't press down the button, the value won't be saved. Let's turn to the third item. TI is inspiratory time. The setting method is same. Omitted subtitles. Next item. TP is breath holding time. Next item. PSV is pressure. In PSV, pressure supported ventilation, the pressure that you set up. Next item PEEP is an expiratory positive pressure. PT is trigger pressure. It is also trigger sensitivity. Because it's a negative number, the larger the number, the smaller the trigger pressure. VT means tidal volume. This is a parameter we often use. Here we preset the tidal volume. The first column on the right can detect. Debugging method is same. Totem are for alarm parameter. pH is upper limit alarm of pressure. PL is lower limit alarm of pressure. ORH is upper limit alarm of oxygen concentration. VTL is lower limit alarm of tidal volume. Adjustment method is same. Set the value you want it alarm. pH is pressure limit. PL is pressure lower limit. ORH is upper limit of oxygen concentration. The detected oxygen concentration exceeds the set value. It will alarm. Don't forget to press down the button to save your setting. VTL is tidal volume lower limit. If tidal volume lower than your setting value, it will alarm. This column is detected parameters. VT is tidal volume. MV is minute ventilation. Tuft is total frequency. It is frequency in spont mode. I is inspiratory, expiratory. PPAC is surge pressure. PEEP is positive pressure at the end of breathing. Monitoring left column is PEEP. OR is oxygen concentration. If don't connect oxygen, it will shows 21%. This is the standard parameter.